Hello friends, welcome to Sound Health TV. In our previous video on pornography, we talked about the 4 dangers of pornography and 3 tips to help you heal fast and as smoothly as possible from its addiction. If you haven't yet watched it, click on the link above to do so. We mentioned avoiding triggers as a way that could help us heal from that addiction. We all know the internet is an amazing resource, full of information and entertainment for all age groups. But it is equally filled with pornographic content that you may not want your kids or family to be exposed to. Thing is, we cannot do without the internet in this modern age, but we can find ways to protect ourselves and loved ones from its negative contents. That is why today's video is more like a tutorial, where we'll be showing you the safest way to block access to porn sites and harmful contents, which could be triggers, on all browsers in all or in specific devices on your home network. We advise you pay specific attention to this video and to all the steps we'll be listing to achieve this goal of internet protection for ourselves and our families. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button now to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you always get notified when we upload a new content. Give us a thumbs up, and in the comment section, tell us if you know and or use internet protection and if you think it is a good idea. Internet usage, for children especially, is risky when parents don't take the appropriate actions to prevent dangerous adult sites from appearing on every internet connected device. And one solution to block the dangerous and pornographic content is to install a parental control software or a blocking plugin or extension on every computer and every mobile device on the network. But most software and plugins can be easily bypassed or disabled. So we must proceed one step ahead and apply an overall solution for kids so that our protection will not get easily bypassed. First of all, here are 3 free reliable DNS, that is domain name system, that's the phone book of the internet, filtering services, and the way to use them in order to prevent the appearance of dangerous content on your web browser and network devices. Number 1. OpenDNS. OpenDNS is a DNS security service and company, was brought about by Cisco in August 2015, which provides phishing and content filtering protection to its customers. OpenDNS offers a free DNS content filtering service called Family Shield for home and personal use. During our test, we found OpenDNS Family Shield as a very reliable and fast content filtering service. In order to use the OpenDNS Family Shield service for your protection, you have to use the following DNS servers on your router for global protection or in every internet connected device. 1. 208.67.222.123. The second, 208.67.222.123. The second free and reliable DNS service is Yandex Family DNS. Yandex Family DNS is a free recursive DNS service. Yandex DNS servers are located in Russia, CIS countries, and Western Europe. Yandex algorithm can detect erotic and pornographic content on index pages. If you want to protect yourself and your family from infected and adult sites, specify the following DNS addresses on your router for global protection or in every internet connected device. 1. 77.88.8.7. 2. 77.88.8.3. The third free reliable DNS filtering service is Clean Browsing Family Filter. Clean Browsing offers the excellent and free family filter that blocks access to all adult, pornographic, and explicit sites and allows you to browse the web safely. To protect from pornographic and malicious sites with the family filter, specify the following DNS addresses on your router or on your devices. 1. 185.228 168.168. 2. 185.228.169.168. Now this is how to specify and use DNS content filtering services on your devices. Here are detailed instructions on how you can block porn and harmful sites on all or specific network devices, whether router, Windows, Mac OS, Android. To block the access to porn sites on all web browsers for all network computers and devices. Router configuration, global protection. By applying these steps, you prevent all computers and mobile devices on your home network to access unsafe and dangerous sites from any web browser, Internet Explorer, Firefox, Chrome, Safari, etc. Step number 1. Open your internet browser and type your router's IP address in the address bar, e.g. 192.168.1.1. Hit enter. Nota bene, to find your router's IP address in Windows, go to Control Panel, then Network and Sharing Center. Click the adapter settings on the left. Double-click to open the active network connection, e.g. the local area connection. Next, click Details. Your router's IP address is the number displayed next to IPv4 default gateway. The second step, at login screen, enter your credentials to access the router's web interface. Third step, locate the DNS server settings. Fourth step, write down for safety reasons the IP address numbers that are currently listed next to the primary DNS server and secondary DNS server boxes if listed. Step 5. Then delete the current DNS IP addresses from all boxes and then type the new DNS IP server addresses that you want to use for content filtering. Step 6. Save settings and log out from your router's configuration web interface. Now, devices DNS configuration single protection. If you want to prevent only specific devices from accessing unsafe content, then you have to change DNS servers only at the specific device or devices that you want to protect. Here are detailed instructions according to your device's operating system. Number 1. To block pornographic material and filter the dangerous content in all browsers on Windows computer, go to Control Panel. Click Network and Sharing Center. Click Adapter Setting on the left. Double-click to open the active network connection, e.g. the local area connection. Select the Internet Protection version 4, TCP/IPv4, and click Properties. Select Use the following DNS server addresses and type the new DNS IP server addresses that you want to use for content filtering. Press OK and close Network Properties. 2. To prevent the access to pornographic and malicious material in all browsers on MSC computer, go to System Preferences. Next, open Network. Next, select the active connection on the left and then type the new DNS server IP addresses that you want to use for content filtering, separated by comma, e.g. 199.85.126.20, comma, 199.85.127.20. Then click Apply and close Network Settings. 3. To prevent the access to pornographic content on your Android device, note, if you cannot change the DNS settings on your Wi-Fi connection, or if you want to block porn when you're connected to both Wi-Fi and mobile data 3G, then use the DNS Changer app. When open Android settings, tap Wi-Fi, Tap and long press the network that you're connected to. Choose Modify Network Configuration. Check Show Advanced Options. Change the IP setting from DHCP to static. At DNS1 and DNS2 fields, type the new DNS servers that you want to use for device protection and tap Save. Next, close Wi-Fi settings. That's it. That is that for internet protection against porn and malicious sites. We hope this piece of information will serve you. You can watch as many times as possible for a better understanding of the settings. Like this video and drop your comments, questions, contributions, or worries in the comment section below. Please share this with the max of friends and your family. Remember to support our channel by subscribing. Turn on the notification for future videos. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy, stay sound.